In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove, unpublish, hide, or even delete a page from your WordPress website. Whether you're looking to make a temporary change or permanently remove some content, understanding how to manage your pages is a crucial skill for any website owner. We'll break down the process in a clear and easy-to-follow way, so you can do it confidently and efficiently. Let's start with removing or unpublishing a page. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see the menu on the left-hand side. From that menu, click on Pages, which will display all the pages currently on your website. Look for the specific page you want to work with. If you hover over the title of the page, you'll notice a few options appear underneath it. Click on the Edit option to open the editing interface for that page. Once you're in the editor, take note of the Status Visibility panel located on the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see options that control whether your page is published or not. If you simply want to unpublish the page, click on the drop-down menu where it says Status and select Draft. Once you've done that, click the Update button to save these changes. This action effectively unpublishes the page, making it invisible to the public but still accessible from your dashboard if you decide to use it again later. Now, if you simply want to hide the page without changing its publication status, there's another trick. Navigate back to the Main Pages section of your dashboard. This time, hover over the page you want to hide, and instead of clicking Edit, choose Quick Edit. In the menu that appears, you'll find a checkbox labeled Password Protected. Simply check that box, and enter a password of your choice. Save your changes, and your page will now be hidden from the public unless someone has the password to access it. Finally, if you're certain you no longer need this page and want to delete it, go back to your Pages overview. Hover over the page's title, and click the Trash link that appears. This action will send the page to the Trash folder, which acts as a temporary holding area in case you accidentally removed a page you need. If you're sure about permanently deleting it, head over to the Trash section and click on the Empty Trash button. Once you do that, the page will be irretrievably removed from your website. Understanding how to effectively manage your WordPress pages is essential for maintaining a tidy and relevant website. Whether you're temporarily unpublishing, cleverly hiding, or permanently deleting a page, these straightforward steps will help you achieve your goal with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!